In this captivating painting, I merge the playful charm of a raccoon with the soothing hues of green. Nature's harmony come alive as I explore the enchanting world of the raccoon. In a lush green surrounding, the painting itself is an essence of the wild spirit of these remarkable creatures. Hello everyone, and my name is Sana, and I'm super excited to share this beautiful raccoon in a lush green forest. I will share what material I have used for this painting, and then we will quickly dive into the time lapse of the step by step. Here I'm using acrylic paint along with a watercolor green tube. The watercolor I have only used for the background, and the rest I have used all the acrylic paints. So here I have Fevicryl paints. You can use any brand you have. You can use the tube form or you can take the liquid ones. I have used some splatters on top of it in the end. Throughout this time lapse, the techniques are very simple. They are expertly blended acrylic paint and watercolor, creating the texture and layering that brings the painting to life. This time lapse is not just a visual treat for any animal lover. It's a celebration of the beauty that surrounds us in the natural world. So sit back, relax, and let this time lapse take you to the magical journey through the forest. Technically, this painting I completed around in 45 minutes. But thanks to time-lapse video that I can easily share my quick journey with you all. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like the video. And comment below if you want me to make in-depth video series. You can also check in the playlist of wildlife animal painting, where I combined gouache paint and created some watercolor effect.